Today's tip is about coconut milk. Now we have coconut cream and coconut milk. Coconut cream is very easily available. It's thicker, creamier, fattier, and less water. Coconut milk is like this. So when a recipe calls for coconut milk, it means coconut milk and not coconut cream. It's a huge difference. You can still dilute this and use it in curries, but for desserts, definitely it has to be coconut milk. But my preference is coconut milk. Now, the new thing in the market is coconut milk beverage. This is for people who are lactose intolerant. So instead of dairy products, they have this coconut milk, almond milk, soya milk, whatever. But this is not a replacement for coconut milk in cooking. There is no flavor at all like coconut milk in this. Then we also have coconut powder. Now this is something, unless you're going camping, I wouldn't recommend. If you're going camping and you want to cook, you can take coconut powder, dissolve and make it in your curries. Otherwise, best is coconut milk. And if you can make freshly homemade with grated coconut, nothing like it. I hope this is useful. I'll be back with some more tips. Do like, subscribe, share and comment.